Imagine biting into a juicy burger that was never part of a living animal, or having a snack that was 3D printed right in your kitchen. Sounds like something from a sci-fi movie? Well, the future of food is unfolding right before our eyes. In today's video, we'll explore how cutting-edge food technology, like lab-grown meat and 3D printed meals, is reshaping what we eat, how we eat, and even why we eat. Get ready, because the future of food is here. The global food system is facing a crisis. Climate change, deforestation, and resource depletion threaten food production. Meanwhile, the world's population is growing rapidly, expected to reach 10 billion by 2050. But traditional farming methods require massive amounts of land, water, and energy. Industrial livestock farming alone contributes nearly 15% of global greenhouse gas emissions. So, what's the solution? Science and technology are stepping up, offering lab-grown meat and 3D printed food as sustainable alternatives. Lab-grown meat, also known as cultured meat, is produced from animal cells in a bioreactor, a controlled environment where cells multiply and grow into real meat. No slaughterhouses, no deforestation, just real meat without the environmental damage. The benefits of lab-grown meat are truly remarkable. First, it has a reduced environmental impact, using 80 to 90% less land and water. Secondly, it eliminates animal cruelty, making it an ethical and humane choice. Lastly, it offers higher food security, potentially solving global hunger with sustainable protein sources. But the journey isn't that simple. There are still major challenges before it reaches our dinner plates. For one, the production costs are currently expensive, though they are improving. Another issue is scalability. Can we produce enough for billions of people? Then, there's the question of consumer acceptance. Will people actually eat lab-grown meat? And let's not forget the regulatory hurdles, as governments are still figuring out how to approve it. Despite these challenges, lab-grown meat is already on the market in some places. Singapore became the first country to approve lab-grown chicken, and companies like Eat Just and Upside Foods are working hard to bring these products worldwide. Now, let's talk about another exciting food technology, 3D printed food. Yes, you heard that right? Just like a 3D printer creates objects layer by layer, 3D food printers use edible ingredients to create custom meals. Ingredients are pureed into a paste like chocolate dough cheese and so on. The printer then carefully layers the food into intricate shapes. Some foods are cooked right after printing, while others are ready to eat. But why do we need 3D printed food? What makes it special? Personalized nutrition allows for customized meals based on health needs, reducing food waste by turning leftover ingredients into delicious meals. Futuristic fine dining with edible decorations and innovative food designs. Space exploration, with NASA developing 3D printed meals for astronauts. Imagine having a printer at home that prepares meals tailored to your diet and fitness goals. That future isn't far away. But food innovation isn't just about meat and printers. Other breakthroughs are revolutionizing the way we produce and consume food. Vertical farming involves growing crops in stacked layers using AI and hydroponics. Precision agriculture uses drones and sensors to monitor crops. AI-powered food customization through smart kitchens that design meals for you. A future where food is healthier, more accessible, and tailored to individual needs is becoming a reality. These technologies are more than just cool inventions. They have a real impact on our planet and our lives. Food innovation can help improve global food security, solving hunger with efficient production. It can also reduce environmental impact with lower emissions and less waste. Plus, it creates new businesses and jobs as food tech startups are booming. But there are big questions. Who controls food technology? Will these innovations be affordable for everyone? And how will they affect traditional farmers and food industries? As we move forward, We must ensure that food innovation is sustainable, ethical, and accessible to all. So, are lab-grown meat and 3D printed food the future? It sure looks like it. With science and technology evolving rapidly, we may soon have a world where food is personalized, sustainable, and created at the push of a button. Would you eat lab-grown meat? Or try a 3D printed snack? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Beast for more amazing content on the future of technology. See you in the next one.